Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on a Google Play Store for TCL 205. So let's open our Google Play Store and from here begin the search for Call of Duty. As you can see, there is no game and we'll need to fix that. So go back, click on your profile icon, from here move to the settings, open family, scroll down, get to parental controls, and right here we can fix it two ways. First one is to disable parental controls entirely, or the other is to go for apps and games, enter your PIN code, increase PG to at least 16 and make sure that you save this setting. Go back, click on the search pool, find Call of Duty, and it's right here. You can install or download it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.